Tough, rugged, and built to last, the all-new Revo 2.0 from Pride Mobility provides the durability of a midsize with the convenient portability of a travel scooter. A smooth and comfortable ride built with the durability only Pride can offer. With this scooter, you'll enjoy our patented Comfort Track front and rear suspension, giving you superior performance beyond that of other scooters. The Revo 2.0 is equipped with a variety of features that provide convenience throughout your day. Available in 3- and 4-wheel models, the new Revo 2.0 also features an ultra-heavy-duty drivetrain designed to handle varied terrain. Plus, it has a higher weight capacity than travel scooters, supporting up to 375 pounds. The Revo 2.0 combines rugged durability with ease of transport. With the Feather Touch disassembly, the scooter separates into manageable components for quick and convenient portability. So, when you need a durable scooter that can keep up with your lifestyle, check out the latest innovation from Pride Mobility. The Revo 2.0, the next generation in scooters that always lets you live your best.